Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
In today's video, we'll fix an issue with contractor payments in BookingKoala. Let's get started. Navigate to the Settings option. Click on General. Within General, select Store Options. Click on Provider tab. In the Provider settings, look for GPS and time logs. Scroll down until you find the question, would you like time adjustments in the time logs to be updated on the booking as well? Choose Yes for the option that lets you adjust time logs. This means if a contractor works longer than planned, the booking length will be updated once it's approved. And that's it. Now your contractors will be paid based on the actual hours they work. If this helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time. That's all, and thank you for watching.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.